What did the court hear today then?
Yes, well, Colette, the trial resuming here today after the Christmas break, but it was a very brief court appearance today for that trial. The trial sat for 10 weeks before Christmas, and you'll remember that 8 of those days before Christmas were given to the evidence and the cross-examination of the former Sinn Féin councillor Jonathan Dowdall. Now, Mr Dowdall claimed in his evidence that 3 days following the Regency shooting, the shooting dead of David Byrne in February of 2016, that he met Gerry Hutch in Whitehall in Dublin, and that Mr Hutch confessed to shooting Mr Byrne. And now Gerry Hutch, who's 59 with an address in the paddocks in Dublin, has denied the murder of David Byrne. Today at the start of proceedings, the prosecution apologised for what they termed a false start. Sean Golan saying that a curious development has arisen which will now result in disclosure having to be made to the defence, a disclosure of documentation. So proceedings weren't able to proceed as had been expected today. Now, 3 former witnesses were recalled today for very brief clarification on evidence they had given in the trial prior to Christmas. They were 3 members of An Garda Síochána, just clarifying issues in relation to CCTV footage that had been obtained from 2 Dublin city centre locations during their investigation in 2016. The judge is asking today the defence and the prosecution how they saw the remainder of this trial progressing. It had been thought that it would take approximately 3 more weeks until the trial concluded, but both sides saying today that unless something falls out of the sky over the coming days, that they would hope that this trial would be wrapped up within a fortnight.